Hey everyone, we just got the brand new Ninja Foodi and I cracked it out of the box yesterday, made a pot of chicken soup. It was amazing. Posted it on Instagram, got a bunch of questions. We're gonna make it for real now, show you all the steps. Let's cook. All right, the base of this soup, like so many soups, onions, carrots, celery. Let's get them out, chop them up. Ingredients are in the description. You know what to do. One of the really cool things about the Ninja is that you can saute in it. It's just like putting a pan on the fire. So, 10 minutes. Let's get these vegetables nice and soft. Make sure you use about 2 tablespoons of butter just to get the pot going. We're gonna mix these up. Gonna keep the mix going just so we don't burn everything for 10 minutes. Looking good so far. Please do not forget the garlic. You need some garlic. I'm using 2 cloves. Use what you need. 10 minutes is up. Now we're gonna get all the good stuff in there. So, using 3 chicken breasts right now. Just throw them in raw. All good. 8 cups of chicken broth. 1 cup of water. And we're gonna spice it because the spice is so nice. Let's take a look at what we're using. We got dill. We got thyme. We got parsley. I only have 2 hands. Listen, I'm using these right out of the jars, all right? You could use it fresh, but it's just as good this way, and this is supposed to be easy. Don't kill yourself. Let's get them in there. Don't forget that salt and pepper. Yes, need some taste. As they say, now is when the magic happens. We're gonna get that lid on there, and we're gonna pressure cook this bad boy for 15 minutes. Type in 15, 1-5, press start. It's gonna preheat for a little bit. Once it gets that seal, it's gonna spit it out. Now we can take a little break. It has been 15 long-awaited minutes. Time to let the steam out. This is a step where you be careful. This is a step where you don't blow up your kitchen. Let's go. All right, steam it out. Here we go. Next step. We're gonna take those 3 pieces of chicken, get them out of the soup. They are so soft and tender. We're gonna get them over to a plate and shred them up using 2 forks, really easy. At the same time, we got noodles. We got noodles. Egg noodles. Dump them in the pot. Use about 3/4 of a bag for this recipe. Don't use the whole thing, it's way too much. Put the pot back on saute. Let the noodles cook while we shred the chicken. After you're done shredding the chicken, after the noodles are cooked, test one out. Let's get the chicken back in the pot. Stir it up and guess what? We're done. Easiest half hour of your life. Take a look at this. So good, so flavorful. This is what we call the winter combat chicken soup. Snow out there, warm in here. Ninja, love it. See you next time.